Hello, student. How are you? Hope you're doing well today. I'm your teacher in science. I am Teacher May. Let's proceed in our lesson about in Unit 2 we have the leaves of a plant. Again, the leaves of a plant, and also we have the flowers of a plant. The flowers of a plant. Okay, let's start about the leaves of a plant. The leaves of a plant make food for the plant, like this. And also the leaves need water, air, and sunlight to make food for the plant. These are the three important need or the food for the leaves. This one, the sunlight, air, and the water in order to grow and to live. And also, what color are the leaves of a plant? There are so many colors, but also we have like yellow, green, orange, or something red and brown. And there's so many. And also the leaves of many plants are green. Mostly of the plants, their leaves are color green, like this. Color green. Very good. And also some plants have red leaves. Again, what color is this? Very good. Red. And some plants have yellow and green leaves. The combination of yellow and green leaves. Like this one. One plant and two color leaves. Green and yellow. And also, what kind of leaves do plants have? There's so many kinds of leaves. But first we have some plants have many leaves. Like this. One stem, but there are so many leaves. Again, some plants have many leaves. And also we have some plants have a few leaves, only few, like this in this picture. Their leaves is only 3. Okay, next. Some leaves are round. When you say round is a circle, the shape of the leaves are round. And some leaves are long. Again, some leaves are long, like in this picture. The leaves are so long. And also some leaves are big. If they're few, they have big also. Some leaves are big, like a banana leaves. Banana leaves are so big, like in this picture. If we have big, also we have small. Some leaves are small, like this one. Okay, next. We proceed in our lesson about the flower of a plant. Okay, everybody repeat after me. The flower helps the plant make new plants. Again, the flower helps the plant make new plants. Like this one. Because most of the flower, they have seed inside. So they can make new plants. And also, flowers, there are so many colors like leaves. They have white, yellow, pink, purple, blue, red sometimes, and there's so many, right? And also, the flower attracts insects like bees, butterflies, and birds. Again, the flower attracts insects like bees, butterflies, and birds. Like this one. This one is bee. And this one is very good butterfly. And lastly, we have bird. Okay. The insects and the birds help the plant make new plants. By how? How can make new plants by using the insects? Watch this video.
Like all living things, plants reproduce to ensure future generations. But since plants can't move from place to place, they need a way to transfer pollen from one plant to another. Wind is a major pollinator, but it acts unselectively. Insects, on the other hand, pollinate flowers with precision. The bright colors and strong fragrances of flowers attract insects. Once lured to the flowers, insects discover pollen and nectar. Bees, butterflies, and other insects gather pollen and nectar to feed themselves and their young. As insects move from plant to plant, they transfer pollen from one flower to the next. Fertilization occurs and seeds are formed. Over time, flowers have developed colors, smells, and shapes that successfully entice insects. At the same time, insects have developed features and behaviors that make them more effective pollinators.
Okay. Again, the insects and the birds help the plant make new plant by transferring the seeds from one place to another. And also, this one is the flower, right? So, the flower makes seed. In the circle here, this is a seed, like this. In the center, this is called the seeds. And also the colored parts of a flower are called petals. Here, around the flower, they called petals. Again, outside of the flower, they called petals. And the inside of the flower, they called seeds, or they have seeds. Okay. Put the words in the correct order, make a sentence. Number one, we have 4 leaves plant the of food and make the plant. So you rearrange the sentence to make it correct. So number one, first we need to put the here, or the leaves of a plant make food for the plant. Again, the leaves of a plant make food for the plant. Number two, plants some have leaves many. So what can you make a sentence in the correct order? First, some plants have many leaves. Again, some plants have many leaves. And don't forget to put full stop in the end. Okay, number three, we have leaves are round some. So first you write some leaves are round. Very good. Some leaves are round. Okay, next, answer the question. What do leaves need to make food for the plant? What are the three needs food of the plant? They have, what is this? This one. And lastly, very good. The leaves need water, air, and sunlight. Number 2, which part of the plant makes food for the plant? What is this? Very good. The leaves make food for the plant. Again, the leaves make food for the plant. Answer the questions or check the correct answer. Okay, number 1. How does the flower help the plant? Again, how does the flower help the plant? The flower helps the plant make new plants. Very good. Number 2. Name 2 insects that help the plant make new plant. What is this? Very good. And this one? Okay. Butterfly and bee. Number 3. What color can flowers be? Again, there are so many colors of the flower. You write only 3. Okay, yellow, red, and blue. The colored parts of a flower are called this one. The colored parts of the flower are called, what is this? Pollen, and sac, or petals, or petals? The answer is very good. Okay, next we have an assignment. Draw and color. Number 1, draw a short leaf, label the picture like this one. You draw only short leaf or small and put a short leaf. Number 2, draw a big long leaf, only one. Big long leaf and put this one, the name. And also number 3, draw a plant with big round leaves. Leaves, when you say leaves, there's so many. So you draw big round leaves. And number 4, draw a flower with purple petals and yellow seeds. So you draw a flower here and put color purple and inside is color yellow. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day. That's all for today.